Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best way to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you're new to this business, or if you're looking to start making more sales, then I'm going to be sharing some valuable tips so you can start earning more with affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and as I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing with you the best way to make money with affiliate marketing. But before I get into that, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, and if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, I know why you're here, you know why you're here. It's so you can learn the best way to make money through affiliate marketing. Now you might think it's some crazy sales funnel setup or having the best product ever to sell, but I mean, it doesn't really matter about that. It all really comes down to one word, and that word is value. You have to be delivering value into the content that you're creating. You have to be delivering value into the product that you're promoting, and also in the emails that you're sending out to your subscribers. Now you're probably thinking, well, how do you deliver value? Well, it's a little bit different depending on the niche that you're in. Maybe you're in the entertainment niche. You can be delivering value by entertaining people, making them smile, making them laugh, engaging with their emotions. But if you're in the weight loss niche, the make money online niche, the relationship niche, the way that you deliver value is going to be a little bit different. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on in this video. So the way you deliver value, if you're in any of these niches or any of similar niches, is to look for a problem that somebody's having and provide a solution to it. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, you can deliver value by creating content that's going to help people lose weight. If you're in the make money online niche, you can be creating content that's going to teach people how to make money online and create financial freedom so they can live a more fulfilling life. If you're in the relationship niche, you can be delivering value by teaching people how to become better when it comes to dating and how to build their self-confidence up. If you're in the makeup or health and beauty niche, you can be delivering value by showing people some beauty tips and giving makeup tutorials. It really doesn't matter what niche that you're in. You just have to make sure you're delivering value to your audience in order to make more sales with affiliate marketing. Now, I want you guys to think about it like this way. This right here is your prospect or your potential customer. And this right here is your product. I'm going to put P for product. So you have to figure out how to get your customer or your prospect from here to here. So you have to act as the bridge that's going to help them solve their problem. If somebody's right here, you have to focus on or figure out what problem that they're dealing with and offer a solution to it. So if you can figure out a problem that somebody's having trouble dealing with and provide a solution to it, they would be willing to pay to have that problem solved. So as I mentioned, you have to act as a bridge in order to help solve their problem. And the way that you do that is by delivering content or delivering value in the content that you're creating. Whether you're uploading videos, you're writing out blog posts, you even have a podcast, or you're sending out emails. All of the content that you're creating should be delivering value. So let's say, for example, this is your prospect right here. And the pain point that they have in their life is that they want to make more money because they're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or going to the same job every day that they don't like and dealing with people they don't really get along with. Or maybe they want to create a better future for their family and live a more fulfilling life. All of these are pain points. And I get it. People want to stop trading their time for money. So what you would do is create content that's addressing the problem or their pain point that they're having and provide a solution to it. You can create content that's going to show people how to make money online. If you're creating content through videos, you can have one video where you're talking about how people can make money through Fiverr. And then you can create another video where you can talk about how people can make money by selling stock photos. And then in the next video, you can talk about how people are making money with drop shipping. Now, all of those examples that I just mentioned are a great way to make money online. And the person who's looking to make money online, they're gonna see the value in the content that you're creating because you're giving them examples that they can go with to make money online. And the way that you sell your product is by giving a call to action at the end of your videos. You can simply say, well, I hope you enjoyed this video where I teach you how to make money online using this method. But if you're interested in a program that teaches you how to make a full-time income online, then click here. And then you're gonna have a link that's gonna take them to the product page of the product that you're promoting. But most likely, they're gonna click on the link, but they won't buy the first time that they see it. They might have just clicked on the link out of curiosity. But every time that they watch your videos, you're giving them a call to action to click on that link that's gonna take them to the product that you're promoting. And every time that they do, they're getting a little bit closer to buying the actual product that you're promoting to them. So each time they watch your video and you give them a call to action for the program that teaches them how to make money online, they're getting closer and closer to actually buying that product because you're delivering value in each one of your videos. And you start to build trust after a while. If somebody's getting value and you're showing them different methods to make money online, they're gonna end up checking out the link that you're promoting to them. And that's the best way to make money with affiliate marketing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in a program that teaches you how to make money online and start your own online business, then you can check out the link in the top of the description for my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.